Good morning. Yun. I'm just wondering, in YouTube, I don't see frequent discussion about this Croatian update via English. Mostly Indian, Bengali, Nepali language. And there is one an Indian, yeah, he's a blogger, but what he's saying is in auto dub. So I was just wondering. Oh yeah, I did not see any update coming from Filipino itself. Who's discussing about the process from the work permit, going onwards to visa, up to how many months do you need to wait. Update from the VFS itself. That's why I make this video by through English language, because actually I have applied my work permit plus my visa arrived plus my visa application. No, correct. Let's start again. I applied my work permit last January. Yeah, January of 2025, and I received my work permit around February, end of the month of February itself. So I applied my Schengen visa last May 3, but up to now I'm still waiting for my D visa itself to be released. Upon checking from the website, according to the website itself, the way when you go to the VFS visa tracking system, it appears that my visa is still on process at the Croatian embassy. So then, according to my office, when I called them, they called me last week, informing me that I should check it also in their collection department, because up to last week, I did not receive any update. I just update them that I'm checking through system. Then because there's a lot of number, you need to check prior calling which country did you apply. So I type it via Google that I applied for Croatia. So I got the number itself, luckily, yeah. But the system, through the way they check from the customer service, it's like the way I do via from the website itself. So according to the office, I need to check from the collection department itself. So hopefully I can have an update by tomorrow. Hopefully, yeah. Because as I've watched also the orientation video from the office. It's telling it's around 30 to 60 days for the visa total and process. But according to VFS, when I applied last March 3, it's only around 35. Earliest is 15 days. Maximum is 35 days. So I already reached for 35 days this April. So but the total maximum may be 45 days to 60 days. That's the frame there, the time frame they're telling. So which it's like a little bit confusing, because according for the work permits, they're telling is around 30 to 90 days, but luckily I received my work permit for around 40 days above. I did reach even 60 days. So the work permit was a little bit fast, but now the issue I'm having is with the visa. So if anyone who applied visa last March 3, please comment below so we can check each other if your visa is already released, and I need also update so I can update also. Thank you for watching Talon Adventures. Good morning.